6 o'clock. Welcome to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we do quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. And I'm going to be doing a chicken meatloaf with a side of roasted carrots, all right? Seasoned roasted carrots. And by the way, like, when did meatloaf get such a bad rap? You guys realize that? Like, it's like gotten such a bad rap over the years, and I don't know why. Like meatloaf, I love meatloaf. You know what I mean? With a little bit of brown gravy, whether it's, you know, chopped meat or chicken meat or whatever. But I don't know. When did meatloaf get such like a bad rap? I don't really get that. Before I get to that though, I want to do the question of the day. I don't know how many Muppet fans we have out there, okay? But I'm doing a question of the day about the Muppets. What is the name of Gonzo's chicken girlfriend on the Muppets? Okay, so let's get to cooking. All right, so what we're gonna do is, so I got sort of the running theme of my show here is like, I gotta feed the guinea pig, I gotta feed my kids. This is like a, you know, like this, you're pulled in a million different directions. So I already have one meatloaf in the oven. And I already have a batch of carrots roasting in the oven right now. So that's what we're gonna give to the guinea pig. Hopefully it's good, but we're gonna get everything else ready for you right now so you guys can see what we're working with. All right, so I got a little bit of, well, let me show you. I got my ground chicken, okay? I got my carrots and I'm gonna season those, okay? And in the meatloaf, we're gonna fry up a little bit of onion. I got some garlic. I got about a couple breadcrumb that I'm gonna throw in the ground chicken. I got about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. I got a teaspoon of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna do that nice. And that's about it. So a little bit of oil there. I'm gonna throw in my onions now. Okay, and my garlic. All right, so cooking that up. So let's turn you back around here. All right, so where am I? Okay, I got my carrots, and I'm gonna throw a little bit of olive oil. So I'm gonna throw like, I don't know, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, something like that. Just dump it in there. Okay, I'm gonna season this with salt and pepper. Pretty generous with the seasoning on these. Oh, you know what I forgot? Come on, I forgot the garlic. You can't make roasted carrots without garlic. I can't make anything without garlic. Okay, this is how I break up my garlic. Okay, so I'm throwing my garlic in with the carrots. Okay, so just kind of mix this all in, get all this garlic and flavoring in there. Okay, and we're just gonna let that sit. I'm gonna put in the Italian seasoning. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on here. Parmesan cheese. Okay, and now the breadcrumb. Now I have a cup of breadcrumb here, and I'm just gonna sort of go little by little here just to see what kind of texture and consistency we have here, you know? Take a little bit of parsley, even though the kids might not like that, but they don't need to know. Okay, so it's pretty liquidy. So I'm gonna add some more breadcrumb. Nice and easy, guys. This is like simple stuff, you know what I mean? Simple stuff. And I like it a little bit more, with a little bit like, sort of rougher consistency. So I'll add that whole cup in there. So I got all my seasoning in there, and then I just sort of get it in like a little football shape, right? Just like that. Want to say hi? Come here. Hold on. Two thumbs up if you love the guinea pig in this show. Seriously, like.
Give me a thumbs down so I don't have to appear on it.
Oh, would you stop it? 2 thumbs up if you like the guinea pig being a part of this show. Because I can't do it without her.
You can. You will.
Okay, so I sprayed my my pan here. Okay, and I just sort of put my hip against the side of the bowl and just kind of grab it, nice, drop it right in there. Okay, so this is ready to go in the oven. And I'm gonna throw the carrots in there too. I'm just gonna switch this around real quick. Look at that. Woo! Sizzling nice, moving around, and look at my carrots. Oh, they smell good. Look at that. Nice, right? Guinea pig, you ready to eat or what? Oh, I got a lot of garlic in there. Nice. You know what I want to do real quick? I just want to broil them for like a second. All right, come on, let's go. You ready to eat or what?
Yeah.
Let's do this. So, if this is your first time jumping on, guys, so I'm the Skinny Guinea. I cook the meal. At the end of the meal, I give the guinea pig, my wife Michelle, a taste of the meal, and then she either gives me 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down, like, great, okay, or, you know, so we're always going for 2 thumbs up here. That's like the name of the game here. Woo! See, I told you, you gotta watch out there. We're having meatloaf. It's a meatloaf. So say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Tell them who you are.
I'm Kylie, and one of the mini guineas.
Yeah, Kylie's one of the mini guineas.
Why would you make Charlie the guinea pig?
No, she'll give me 2 thumbs down all the time.
And this is like my favorite.
Which is what?
The tacos. Breakfast for dinner.
Did you like the shrimp tacos last night?
Yeah.
You did?
Really?
What would you have given me?
I want to give you a 2 thumbs.
1.5? Kylie, I don't care what anybody says, Kylie. You're the best.
Oh!
Come on.
Sorry.
Enough now. Come on, this is a real show.
You know what happens when I hear voices.
Come on. It's like piping hot, nice. Now I gotta make sure I give Michelle the middle, because she likes the middle. What do you think, guys? 2 thumbs up? What do you think? Let's see.
With the extra onions. Smells good. I'm trying carrot first. Love roasted carrots.
Carrots are good. Me too.
Maybe it's the onion salty.
Probably.
Let's go. 2 thumbs up.
Since Monday, we've been on a roll here. 2 days in a row. 2 thumbs up. Now I love this dish because a couple of reasons, right? It's a healthy meatloaf, right? So I'm not using any ground beef. I'm using chicken. And it's so quick. I mean, you saw that, and I was bumbling around like a fool, you know, because I'm like playing with the camera and all this stuff. It's like, done, you know? And that's what this is all about. This is all about quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. And that's how we roll here. So I will definitely take 2 thumbs up. Guys, I want to thank you for coming out, for jumping on. Oh, we got a garlic Parmesan risotto tomorrow with a side of green beans. That's going to be good. That's it, guys. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast, even in the kitchen. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.